Okay, way back in the 1960s. You don't remember that? Way back in the 60s, there were a lot of troubles, particularly in the southern states of America, over civil rights. And we would hear the news back in England, and I wanted to try and write a song that if it ever reached the people going through the struggles in Little Rock and Alabama, it might just give them a little bit of hope to go through those struggles. So that was this next one. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings, learn to fly all your life. You're only waiting for this moment to rise. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see all your life. You're only waiting for this moment to be free. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of a dark black night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly all your life. You're only waiting for this moment to rise. Blackbird fly, blackbird fly into the light of a dark black night. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these sunken eyes and learn to see all your life. You're only waiting for this moment to be free. You were only waiting for this moment to be free. You were only waiting for this moment to be free. Yeah, thank you. One of the things I like about having written that song is, you know, traveling around the world, I run into a lot of people who say, hey man, you know, I tried to learn that Blackbird when I was a kid, you know. How many people here tried to learn Blackbird? And you all got it wrong. Hey, so yeah, I say to people, you know, if you want to say something nice to people, it's good to say it right there and then, because sometimes you think, I'll leave it till next week, you know, I'll get around to it, but I won't say it right now. And then sometimes it can be too late, and you wish you'd said it. And I wrote this next song after my dear friend John passed away. Let's hear it for John! Johnny! Yeah. So I say I wrote this song after he passed away, and this is kind of in the form of a conversation that we didn't get to have. And if I said I really knew you well, what would your answer be? If you were here today, here today. Well, knowing you, you'd probably laugh and say that we were worlds apart. If you were here today, here today. But as for me, I still remember how it was before, and I am holding back the tears no more. I love you. Well, what about the time we met? Well, I suppose that you could say that we were playing hard to get. We didn't understand a thing, but we could always sing. And what about the night we cried? Because there wasn't any reason left to keep it all inside. Never understood a word, but you were always there with a smile. And if I say I really loved you and was glad you came along, then you were here today. Ooh, 'cause you were in my song.